Welcome to all kind-hearted individuals, both young and old. Welcome to your Everything You Believe YouTube channel. In this channel, we will explore life through the lens of faith, delving into the essence of our belief, the interweaving of faith and life, and the various experiences encountered by the individuals. If you are new to this channel, we will ask you to subscribe. With your continued support, I will present my videos to all of you. A warm welcome to everyone. Today we will be discussing the topic of
wise use of money. Today, I want to talk to you about something that affects each and every one of us: money. Money plays a significant role in our lives, and how we manage it can greatly impact our present and future. So, let's dive into the topic of wise money management. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that money is a valuable resource. It's something we work hard for and should be treated with respect. By using our money wisely, we can not only fulfill our needs and desires but also build a secure and prosperous future. One of the most important aspects of wise money management is budgeting. Creating a budget allows us to track our income and expenses, helping us make informed decisions about where our money should go. By allocating funds for essentials, such as housing, food, and transportation, we ensure that our basic needs are met. But budgeting isn't just about covering the necessities, it's also about setting aside money for the future. Saving is a key component of wise money management. By consistently putting money into savings, we build a safety net for unexpected expenses and create opportunities for financial growth. Remember, every small step towards saving adds up over time. Another aspect of wise money management is being mindful of our spending habits. It's essential to differentiate between our wants and needs. While it's okay to indulge in occasional luxuries, we must avoid excessive and impulsive spending. Consider whether a purchase is truly necessary or if it aligns with your long-term goals. Taking a step back and evaluating our choices can help us make informed decisions and prevent unnecessary financial strain. In addition, it's important to educate ourselves about personal finance. By understanding basic concepts like interest rates, investments, and credit, we can make better financial decisions. Learning about these topics empowers us to take control of our finances and make choices that benefit us in the long run. Lastly, wise money management also involves seeking opportunities to grow our wealth. Exploring investment options, such as stocks, mutual funds, or real estate, can provide avenues for our money to work for us. However, it's important to do thorough research and seek professional advice before venturing into investments. Remember, my friends, the key to wise money management lies in balancing our present needs with our future aspirations. By budgeting, saving, and being mindful of our spending, we can create a stable and fulfilling financial life. Let's make a commitment to ourselves and each other to use our money wisely. Together, we can achieve our financial goals, build a brighter future, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing we are in control of our financial well-being. Thank you for your attention, and here's to a future of wise money management.
Dear friends, thank you for joining me today as I share a true story that highlights the importance of spending money wisely. Sarah found herself in a situation where she had to make some tough financial decisions. She had recently received inheritance property, and instead of rushing into impulsive spending, she took a step back to evaluate her options. Sarah understood that money, if not handled wisely, could disappear as quickly as it arrived. She didn't want to fall into the trap of indulging in temporary pleasures and regretting her choices later. So, she devised a plan. The first thing Sarah did was to educate herself about personal finance. She attended workshops, read books, and sought advice from financial experts. This knowledge empowered her to make informed decisions and set clear financial goals. Sarah realized that having a budget was crucial to understanding her expenses and managing her money effectively. So, she sat down and meticulously analyzed all her income and expenses. By doing this, she gained control over her finances, ensuring that every money had a purpose. But Sarah didn't stop there. She recognized that saving and investing were instrumental in building a secure financial future. So, she started putting a portion of her income into a savings account dedicated to emergencies and long-term goals. She also sought advice from a trusted financial advisor who guided her towards smart investment choices. What impressed most about Sarah was her ability to differentiate between wants and needs. She understood that she didn't have to keep up with every trend or purchase lavish items to find joy and happiness. Instead, she focused on experiences and purchases that added value to her life. For example, Sarah loved traveling, but instead of spending on luxurious accommodations, she did her research and found affordable yet comfortable options. This allowed her to travel more frequently without draining her savings. Furthermore, Sarah made a conscious effort to support local businesses and give back to her community. She understood the importance of using her financial resources in a way that benefited others and created a positive impact. Now she became debt-free, built a substantial emergency fund, and even started investing in a small business venture. With each wise spending choice she made, Sarah's financial well-being improved, giving her peace of mind and confidence in her future. Sarah's story is evidence to the power of wise spending. It teaches us that by educating ourselves, setting goals, budgeting smartly, saving diligently, and making thoughtful choices, we can safeguard our financial future. So dear friends, embrace the idea of spending money wisely, recognizing that every single money has the potential to shape a more secure and fulfilling future. Together, let's make wise spending a priority and empower ourselves to create the lives we deserve.
Please share this message with your friends, enemies, and relatives alike. Stay tuned with for another insightful video. It's time to live. Yours, Babu.